So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your username on Snapchat. So let's begin. So first of all, open your Snapchat, and now click on this profile icon on the top left corner. Okay, just click on it, and now just as you can see, this is my username. So as I click on this, okay, username, so this is showing that I can change my name, okay, but I want to change my username. So I will just click on this settings icon. Okay, so there is this username, but I cannot change. There is a share option, but there is no edit option, so I cannot change from here. So now what you need to do is just scroll down and just click on this I need help. I'm sorry. So just click on this I need help. Okay, so it will load a bit and it will take you to a new page. So as you can see, this is a new page, and now just scroll down and just go to this my account and security. Okay, so now just click on this account information. So now just click on this username. Okay, so as we click on username, there is so many things which is written here. So as you can see, your Snapchat username is set when you first create your Snapchat account. Okay, it is not possible to change your Snapchat username. This is for security reasons, so you cannot change your username on Snapchat, but there is a way, I will tell you. Okay, so it is not possible to transfer account data, memories, snap streaks from one username to another, so that's why you cannot change your username on Snapchat. But there is another way that Snapchat has given us, and we can change our usernames as we want. Okay, so just scroll down, and as you can see, there is a section called making a new account and username. So it says that if you are still unhappy with your username, you can delete your current Snapchat account and create a new one with a different username. Okay, if an account is deleted or permanently locked, then that username will no longer be available. So if you are unhappy with your username, you can delete your current Snapchat account and create a new one with a different username that you want. Okay, so I have already made a video that how to delete your Snapchat account, so you can just check it out. I will give that video's link in this video's description or on the I button, and you need to create a new account on Snapchat. Okay, so at the time you carefully think and use a username that you want. Okay, and create a new account with the same number that you had previously. Okay, that you had your current account, just create a new account based on that, because the old account is scheduled for deletion, so that doesn't matter. So yeah, so this is the way you can change your username on Snapchat. I hope this video helps you out. If this video helps you out, make sure you hit the like and let me know in the comments that this works out. If you have any queries or any help related to this, then just let me know in the comments. I will try to reply you and help you out. And if you want more videos, more tutorials like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and make it to all, so that you never miss an update. Till then, I will see you in the next video. Bye.